What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is a very nice little pill-shaped 2K security camera that you can use for your home. I think it's great. So this little camera was sent out to me to try out, and I think it's fantastic. And let me tell you what comes in the box with it. So what comes in the box is the 2K security camera itself, your quick start guide, your adjustable camera mount, a USB to USB micro charging cable, your hardware kit for mounting, which includes the pin for you to use to reset the camera if you need to, and a security notification sticker that will basically let people know that they're actually being recorded. And I think it's a great deterrent as well. So on the camera, you have your 2K camera, your LED light, your motion sensor, and a microphone in the front. And hidden on the front, you have an IR lamp and a status indicator light. In the back, you have your speaker. On the bottom, underneath this nice weatherproof protective cover, you have your power button, your SD card slot, and a reset button or reset hole that you'll use that nice pin that it comes with to reset it when you're doing your setup, or if you need to reconnect the camera to your Wi-Fi for whatever reason. And this rubber weatherproof piece here at the bottom also has a small hole in the middle, so you can use that to plug in your charging cord so that you don't have to remove the entire panel to charge it. Now the setup too is very easy, and the reason why I say that is because it actually tells you in the app. You can take it out and put it in different places to determine where you want to mount it, and it will tell you if the signal is weak in that particular area so that you can put it in the correct spot so it works and functions properly. So some of the quick specifications on this awesome little camera is that it is an event recording camera. It has 3 sensitivity settings and an alarm notification back to the free app that you download in order to set it up, as well as 2 to 3 months of battery life. And of course that will depend totally on how you set this camera up and what sensitivity settings that you use. So you have 2 different ways in which this camera will record your video and photo for you to look back over and review later. So you can put in an SD card, which it will record to, or it can record to the cloud if you choose their cloud service to keep your video and photo from the camera backed up. So one of the things that I recommend that you do as well is go into your quick start guide. There is an IR code for a detailed manual that you can download so that you can get the best performance out of your camera. It'll give you tips, tricks on how to mount it, so many other different details that you'll want to be aware of so that you, again, get the best use out of it. It's a great little camera, very small, easy to fit in some nice tight spaces, and I'm looking forward to getting a ton of great use out of it. So thank you so much for coming and checking out this awesome little camera with me. I do appreciate you. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again in another product video.